Yeah, losing money can be very painful, but losing your mindset is what truly destroys people. There was a season in my life when I lost a lot financially. It was a very difficult period. I had dreams, plans, and responsibilities, but suddenly I found myself having to rebuild from almost nothing. And one thing I learned during that season is this: being broke is a situation, being broken is a decision. Your financial situation may change, but your ability to rise again must never disappear. Today, I want to share with you 5 mindsets that kept me going when life became very challenging. Mindset number 1: your situation is temporary. Never allow a difficult season to convince you that your story is over. A setback is not the end, it is simply a chapter for you. Mindset number 2: learn before you eat. When I had no capital to start the business I wanted, I didn't sit down waiting for money to appear. I started learning, I started studying the market, I built relationships. I positioned myself around opportunities. Now, sometimes the knowledge you gain in your difficult season becomes the foundation for your breakthrough. Mindset number 3: use what you have. I discovered that I already had tools around me: my phone, my network, my ability to communicate, my willingness to connect with people. Many people are waiting for bigger resources while ignoring the small ones already available. Mindset number 4: don't be afraid to start small. Now, after my financial struggles, I started marketing and selling for small companies with various products and services. And then I continued at the background selling properties for real estate companies as well. I wasn't the owner, I didn't have millions to invest, but I started where I could. Those small beginnings eventually helped me build something bigger. Mindset number 5, and of course the last: never stop showing up. There were moments things were not easy, moments of rejection, moments of disappointment, but consistency separates those who eventually win from those who give up too early. Your breakthrough may not come today, but every step you take is building something. So if you're watching this and you feel like you have lost everything, remember, you may have lost money, but don't lose your vision. Your current situation does not define your future. Start with what you have. Learn, grow, connect, take actions. Because sometimes the greatest businesses are born from the seasons where people thought you were finished. Yeah, you're not finished. Keep building, my friend.